Production planning keeps varying from company to company. This begins with a product idea, plan for design of the product and entire production or operating system to manufacture that product. It also includes the task of planning for the manufacturing of modified version of an existing product using the existing facilities. The main difference between the planning procedures is one company and another is principally due to the difference in the economic and technological conditions under which the companies operate. The main factors affecting production planning procedures can be summarized as: Number 1. Production volume. The purview of production planning in any organization mainly depends upon the quantity or volume of output to be produced. Its main objective is to cut the manufacturing cost. For instance, in case of custom order job shop, where volume of production is generally less, the planning of production is limited to only purchase of the raw material/component and determination of work centers, which have the capacity of manufacturing the product. Number 2. Nature of production process. Nature of manufacturing process is also an important factor that determines the intensity of production planning in any organization. For example, in case of custom job shop, the production planning may be informal and development of the work methods is left to individual workman who is highly skilled. Whereas, in the high-volume production, many product engineers are involved who put enormous amount of effort in designing the product and manufacturing processes. Number 3. Nature of operations. Nature of required operations is again very significant parameter that determines the scope of production planning in any organization. For example, continuous production of any single standardized that is characterized by repetitive operations, detailed production planning is required. There are mainly two types of manufacturing approach. First type is manufacture to order. In this, a product is manufactured when its demand arises. Therefore, product is not produced repeatedly at regular intervals, which means this has no repetition of operations. The second type is manufacture to stock and sell. Product is produced continuously as there is a regular demand from the market or it is produced for stocking purpose, which means this has repetition of operations.